Recording now.
Yo, check me out though. Meek Mills need to sign me, nigga. Drake needs to sign me, nigga. One of them niggas need to sign me, nigga. I'm so real, dog. I ain't even grimy, nigga. I hit niggas, spit niggas, like slimy, nigga. Call you slimy, nigga. I'm on that other shit. I get the ghost action. I'm on the other kick. These niggas know when you catch me in the hood, never gon' catch me, nigga. Still all good. Got a couple other guns and they in the whip. What? Driving the Escalade. 26 is what? I ain't even shooting videos. I got guts. I just tell niggas how it is and tell you what it is. Like what? Nigga, I don't give a fuck. And if a nigga try to fuck with me, he getting stuck. I don't give a fuck. Lucky that my pistol taken. I'm about to get my shit back and I'm back baking. I just bake cakes, nigga. I kill niggas, real triggers. Niggas talking about bullets, nigga. I won't feel you. If you got a problem with it, nigga, holla at me and we can make it happen, nigga. Yeah, call it Grammys, cause I'm the type of nigga, I don't give a fuck you spam me. Yeah, nigga spam me. Fuck around, damn nigga. I'm on the Grandy. Got a couple stacks, nigga. Y'all niggas fuck around with a real fucking nigga. And that's me though. Westside D though. Niggas come through. I get you like Debo. I don't give a fuck, nigga. You can try to knock me out. I could get a couple shots. Niggas know I got you out. Knock you out, clock you out. I don't give a fuck though. Got money, nigga. They call your boy the mutt though. I don't give a fuck cause I'm mixed, nigga. Got that. Got bread. Niggas fuck around in the back set. Niggas in the back set. Niggas so lame though. Man, these niggas gay though. Niggas take play though. Talking about play though. Nigga, where you lay though? Got a couple cemeteries. Nigga, pick your fave though. What? Nigga, pick your fave though. I get this money, nigga. Call your boy Kano. On Mortal Kombat, get Mortal Kombat. Got niggas on a ram sack, got that stack. I don't give a fuck, man. I just flow though. I ain't even stopping for shit, nigga. I go though. If a nigga fuck around with me, nigga, dodo. You don't wanna fuck around with me, cause I was slow. Put a nigga down on the ground, straight in the ground, straight on the ground. Whatever you want, nigga, that's where you found. My niggas come through, nigga. I ain't playing around. I make it happen though. I got a sister named Kaisha and Tion, keep it slapping though. My family, nigga, yeah, we all nuts though. I should get a check, but I'm in the cut though. I'm in the psych ward. I don't give a fuck. And then when the niggas act dumb, I'ma act a nut. I just come through, then I go and bust a nut. Then y'all niggas looking like, what the fuck? This nigga nuts. I don't give a fuck cause I'm coming through and you're holy what? Holy fucks, I don't give a fuck. And when I come through, bitch, I get money, nigga. Fuck nigga tattoos all day, nigga. I'm done.